wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. Hey, hey. She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My hair is really flat, so let's just ignore that. But today I'm doing like a chit chat, get ready with me, college edition, makeup video tutorial kind of thing. And yeah, there's not much to say because I chat the whole video, so let's just get on with the video. So to start off with, I'm going to use my foundation, obviously, because I've already prepped and primed my skin. I've already used a moisturiser, cleansed my skin, and a primed. I used the L'Oreal Infallible Primer because like my other primer ran out, and that's like the other one I had in my drawer, so I would use that one. But the foundation I'm going to use is the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25 Hour Comfort Serum Foundation in the shade 400 Natural Beige. This is my favourite drugstore foundation. I actually love it so much. It's like, I think it's like £7-8, like, you know, just like a usual drugstore price for a foundation, and it's my fave. Like, it's not like, it's like the best coverage for what I want and need, and it just perfects your skin so nicely, and that's what it says on the bottle that it says it's gonna do. Yeah, I just love it so much. So I literally just put it on the back of my hand and just dot it around my face, and then I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend it out. For that, during a chit chat, get ready with me, because I like talking in my videos, and you guys can just get to know my life a bit more, you know. So I'm just going to quickly like dot over my face and I'll come back. So now I'm just going to take my Real Techniques sponge, I've wet it, and I'm just going to blend that into my skin. I feel really low down, but then I kind of like it, like, but you guys can actually see me. So yeah, and I hope the lighting's good. So I'm going to talk about college right now. I'm going to make a video about all my college course, so like, if you want to ask questions, feel free to ask questions in the comment section down below, and I will definitely answer them in the video. But yeah, college is like going really well at the moment. I'm kind of like trying to keep on track with my assignments, because my New Year's resolution was to myself was to not stay up until 3 AM to get assignments done the night before they're due in, because that's what I used to do. I used to always stay up until 3 AM the night before and get it done, and I'm like to myself, I'm not doing it anymore because it's so bad for me. Like, it's, well, bad for anyone that does it. Like, I just won't concentrate the next day in class, and it'll just be so bad, and then I feel like I've rushed it all, and I'll be tired whilst I'm writing it, so I just won't do it to the best I can do it. So like right now I'm like, every time I can get, I'm trying to like do just a little bit each day. Like, get home, college finishes at 4, but I don't get home until like 5:30, so I get really tired when I'm back home. But like, I try and like fight my tiredness and get some work done, because I just hate staying up until 3 AM, and like all my friends do it, well, not all of my friends, like some of my friends do it as well, like stay up until 3 AM. I'm just like, I just can't be doing that anymore. Like, literally, it's just so bad. Do you see how like it just perfected my skin? Like, I don't know if you could tell at the start, but my skin wasn't great. Like, it's got like some acne around my cheeks, like that's where it's worse. But like, it's just perfected it now, and you can hardly see it. So now I'm going to take concealer. Oh, I've already done my brows because I can't do my brows on camera. Like, it's just so bad. Like, I've got to sit really close to the mirror and like properly do it. But even that, it doesn't come out perfect all the time. So I know you guys probably want me to do like a brow tutorial, but I don't have like a set way of doing my brows. Like, it's different every single fucking day. I'll try and do like a brow tutorial when I can, and when my eyebrows are like actually good and they've grown out a little bit. Oh, by the way, I'm using the NYX HG Studio Concealer. I really want to try the Revolution Concealer, the, you know, the new one that's come out, the one that everyone's like raving about. But there's not a Superdrug near me. There's only Boots near me. So yeah, and I don't want to buy it online because I want to shade match myself, because I don't trust myself matching myself online. Like I don't want to waste the money because you can't return makeup. I'm gonna blend this out again with my little sponge. I don't know what to talk about to you guys. Oh my god, yesterday we hit 1,000 subscribers. I honestly cannot tell you how happy I was. It was like, because you know there's like this new rule now on YouTube where like if you don't have 1,000 subscribers and if you don't hit 4,000 views like hourly or something, like something with your analytics, you can't be monetized until you hit those, oh my god, what are they called, those little marks. So I was like really upset about that because I was like, oh my god, like you can't be monetized. Because obviously I don't do YouTube for the money, but like that's like, it's just a bit like all my hard work goes for nothing, like, you know, like you just get shut down so hard. And then there was like whole Twitter thing about it as well, like people getting so pissed off at that new rule because it was so stupid. And I was like, oh my god, that's gonna happen to me now. And then we hit 1,000 subscribers, and obviously like my GCSE video has like thousands and thousands of views. It has like I think 80,000 views. So like I've already hit that 4,000 analytic thing. So I was like, oh my gosh, we need to hit 1,000 subscribers just so I can keep the channel running. So yeah, we hit 1,000 and I was so happy. Because I just love sitting and watching YouTube videos when I can, like obviously when I'm like not that stressed about college work and I haven't got anything to do. And then yeah, so I was just so happy. So I love making videos for you guys. So yeah, I'm just baking now using the Collection Sheer Loose powder under my eyes and on my chin. Because like on my chin, I don't know why, but like my foundation always goes on my chin. I feel like I like rest my hand on my chin a lot and I don't realise. I don't know how I'm trying to do this without a mirror. So yeah, I'm just using my sponge because I think I heard like when you use a damp sponge to bake, like it lasts longer or something. I don't know how true that is, but I've heard it, so I do it all the time now. And I think it does last actually. And I'm just doing it on my mouth because laugh lines, smile lines, you know. What's next? I'd already done my brows, so what can I do next? I'll just set the rest of my face. So I'm using the Stay Matte by Rimmel. I think it's by Rimmel, yeah? Yeah. I always think it's by Maybelline. I don't know why, like, but it always comes to my head. Maybelline and Stay Matte. I don't know why, I don't even ask. Mine's in the shade 006 Warm Beige again. Everything I buy is like a beige. I think that's just my thing now. The reason I put a headband on was to get hair at my face, yet hair still somehow gets onto my face and onto my lips because I put a lip balm cream thing on. What actually can I do? Because I haven't, usually I would do my brows now whilst everything is like baking, you know, but I've already done my brows, so I can't be doing that. There's like, I don't know what to talk to you guys about. Can you guys give me like video suggestions, or like on this video comment down questions, and then in my next chit chat get ready with me I'll answer these questions. Like, you know, we can do like a little Q&A thing. You can ask me anything you want, and then like whatever's suitable I will answer. Did I say that this video is like my makeup for when I go to college? Hopefully I did. I'm pretty sure I did, but then I kind of forgotten. But yeah, this is the makeup I would wear to college. It takes me like 20 to half an hour to 40 minutes in the morning. It depends how tired I am. If I'm like awake and like, you know, I'm awake, then it takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Not even 30 minutes, sometimes like 20 minutes if I do it like quickly. But if I'm like really tired and like, you know, like Aneesah, hurry the fuck up. Then I'm like 30 minutes, like 40 minutes. I wake up, I'm just gonna wipe away my powder with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour powder with my new look fluffy brush. What was I saying? Oh my gosh, I completely forgot what I just said. That's really fucking annoying. What the hell did I just talk about? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm gonna edit this back and just be like kicking myself, like, because you guys know what I just talked about, but I've completely just forgotten. Wow. That is annoying. I'm really sorry, by the way, because you guys know what I just talked about in this video, but I have no fucking clue right now in this minute of time. Wow. I hate myself so much. Anyways, I really love this brush. It's so fluffy and nice, and it just wipes away powder so nicely. There we go, all done. Right, first of all, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and then do mascara and my eyeliner, and then I'll do the rest of my face, and yeah. So I just use these curlers that I got from like TK Maxx like years and years ago, but I can't talk whilst I'm doing it, so I'm just gonna like speed it up. Now I'm gonna use the Soap and Glow Thick and Fast mascara. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing on my other eye, and I'm gonna put L'Oreal Telescopic mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'll come right back. Okay, so I've just done my mascara and my eyeliner. I put like kohl eyeliner in my tight line and my waterline. I don't do like winged eyeliner for college. Sometimes I used to do it like all the time, and I kind of like stopped. I just it takes up too much time and too much effort. So now I'm gonna move on to my face. I'm gonna bronze up my face using the Saint-Tropez powder bronzer, and then sometimes I will add the Sleek contour kit thing. Or I'll just use like either one. I'm gonna use my Revolution F105 powder brush, angled contour powder brush, and just bronze up my face. So yeah, I don't know if I guys told you, but like I've got my provisional license and I get paid soon, so the girl's gonna be doing the driving lessons. I know I'm quite late on like the driving lessons, right, get driving and all that, because I did turn 17 in October. She paid my license, and then I said I would pay for the lessons and I'd save up for my car, because the whole reason I got a job was for my car, basically. Like I really want a car because I just want to drive myself to college and then to work. Like I don't want to depend on waiting for my mum and my friend to be here on time and then go, and then, do you know what I mean? Like some days I wake up late and then I have to rush to get ready, whereas if I could drive I could just leave at my own time, you know, I hope you understand. So yeah, it's gonna take a couple months to save up, or maybe, I don't know, I want a car by the end of the year or by my 18th birthday. So we'll just see how that goes, and I hate this mirror, so let's move back to this mirror. I feel like I'm just adding loads of bronzer to my face because like this lighting isn't doing me that great of justice. Oh my gosh, guys, the final Maze Runner film comes out tomorrow, the day I'm filming this, and you guys have no idea how much I love the Maze Runner films. They're my favourite like action, I don't know what its class is. Is it class as action series? I love Fast and Furious as well, but like the Maze Runner actually, like, I don't actually watch any other series except for Maze Runner. Like, oh my gosh, I really want to watch it. My mum said she doesn't want to go, so because we went to go watch the new Jumanji film the other day, so she told me to take my friends, but none of my friends have seen the other films, which is really, really fucking annoying because I want to go, but I want to talk about it, you know? Like, I just love that film. So now I just have to drag my friends along with me and make them enjoy it as much as I'm going to enjoy it. It's the last ever one. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm just gonna like bronze up my face quickly and then think about something else I can talk about. Always do my jawline, even though I don't really need to, but I always do it anyways. Like, it's just a habit now of me doing my jawline. And even today has actually been like quite a good makeup day, considering the fact I haven't got foundation all over my hair. Every morning foundation will like creep onto my hair and it's gross. I dislike it a lot because then it just like make I can't speak. It just makes my hair look really ashy and gross. So like wipe it out. I don't have time to do that in the morning, okay? Just don't. So I think that is my bronzing done. There's a hair on my face somewhere. Yep, there we go. That's me done. I'm just gonna what do you call it? Spray my face with the NYX Matte Finish setting spray. Oh, I love this spray. I love spraying things on the face, like setting sprays, and like I have this tea tree facial cleanser spray. It just makes your skin feel so refreshing. I love it a lot. So whilst we're waiting for that to dry into my skin, this makeup usually like lasts me the full day, but because I've got really oily skin, I do get quite oily like around here and like the centre of my forehead. Like I get like a tiny little bit on my chin, which is why it kind of like transfers really quickly off onto my hand when I sit like that a lot, which I should not be doing because like that's really bad. But I've tried to stop myself from doing that quite a bit and stop touching my face whenever I don't need to be touching my face, like unless I stop like trying to stop doing that, and like just touching my face in general, like because it just, I'm trying to like, my goal is to like clear up my skin as much as I can before summer, because obviously in the summer I hate wearing makeup. It just feels disgusting because I have oily skin. So like whenever I have oily skin and the sun mixes into it and it gets even more greasy, it's just disgusting and I hate it. So yeah, I'm really trying to clear up my skin. So let me know some really good skincare products for oily combination skin, because I do get a bit dry around my nose, but then my most oiliest part is my nose and it's really weird. So yeah, that is the end of this video. If you did like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, because I want to post as much as I can. But it's obviously like considering college work and work, so I'm trying my best. But I do really want to like up my YouTube game this year. And what else is there? Comment down below anything. Like I've talked about what you can comment down below in this video. So yeah. And I will see you guys in my next video. Oh my god, my voice went so croaky. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.